Hello everyone, Antonia here with a new process video for Hip Kit Club. Today I'm using the March 2024 main kit, and I have selected a few items from the main kit in advance because I wanted to use one of the large chipboard titles and I just needed an idea of how to use it. So I'm going to be using this grid paper for the background. I wanted a fairly neutral background to make sure that the title word will stand out from my layout. But I also wanted to introduce a bit of an interest, so I'm just layering two pattern papers on top of the background paper. And I'm using a piece of vellum just to help me to decide where to cut into the papers, because I just want to cut two of the opposite corners of the paper strips to ensure that the floral details on the grid paper are showing. So this is quite an unusual way of layering paper and cutting into paper for me, but I just wanted to give it a go. I wanted to add a bit of interest to the layout, and at the same time I wanted the floral details to show. As I said before, I had to have a bit of a play with these beautiful chipboard title words. I wanted to use one of the floral ones, and because they are quite large in size, it was a little bit tricky to add them to the page without completely overtaking the entire layout. So I just added them on the two diagonal cuts of the pattern papers. Here I'm just selecting the Tone and Tone small floral paper as the mat for my photo. Creating an embellishment cluster with a journaling card at the bottom of the page. Apologies, you can't always see the bottom of the page. I was a little bit out with my positioning of my layout. And then the idea is to create two clusters around the photo and one around the journaling card, just to balance the layout out a bit. really wanted to use the rub-ons on my layout, and luckily there were 3 floral clusters on it, which was perfect, so I just added one to each of my embellishment clusters. Absolutely love these little butterflies on the rub-on sheets. I quite like how they were quite small. I do like to add small details to my embellishment clusters, and these butterflies were just ideal to add those little finishing accents. Here is my completed layout. I hope you liked my process video, and just a bit of a reminder that by becoming a HipKit Club subscriber, you save $5 on your main kit each month, and additionally you receive a 15% discount on all of the add-on kits purchased, and all of your add-on kits ship free with the main kit. So thanks again for watching. Goodbye.